In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chart data in MetaTrader 5. If you want to keep a copy of your chart data for later use, MetaTrader 5 makes the process very straightforward. This can be useful if you want to review a chart offline, organize your trading records, or simply store information in a specific location on your computer so you can access it again easily. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and making sure the chart you want to save is already visible on your screen. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you're working with the correct chart before saving, especially if you have multiple windows or symbols open at the same time. Once you're ready, go to the top left area of the platform and click on File. This will open the main File menu, where you'll find several options related to opening, saving, and managing your platform data. Take your time here and look carefully, since this is the starting point for the save process. Next, click on Save. After selecting this option, MetaTrader 5 will open a save window or prompt that allows you to choose where the chart data should be stored. This is the part where you decide exactly where the file will go on your device. Now, select a folder. Choose a location that will be easy for you to remember later, such as your desktop, documents folder, or another organized trading folder you already use. Picking the right folder now can save you time when you need to find the file again in the future. After that, follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your setup, MetaTrader 5 may ask you to confirm the file name, confirm the location, or complete another simple save action. Just read each prompt carefully and continue through the process until the file has been saved successfully. If you see a confirmation or notice that the save window closes, that usually means the action is complete. And that's it. You've now saved chart data in MetaTrader 5. As a helpful tip, try using clear folder names and keeping your saved files organized by symbol or date if you plan to save chart data regularly. That makes it much easier to locate what you need later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.